because we are cooling down and we even have a chance of a few sprinkles towards the end of next week. So what a way to end the season. Now, as far as what we've got today, it's not a lot of changes just yet. We are seeing a subtle sign of a cool down though, so it's a hint of things ahead of us. Your view outside at downtown San Francisco, it's gray out there for sure. The deepened marine layer is back in place, and much like yesterday, we've got a very cloudy start to the day, and the next several hours here are going to stay that way. High pressure ridge is soon to be on the outs. Still has some influence today though. This low pressure is the first of a series of low pressures though that is going to be building in and keeping that jet stream nudged down further to the south, and along with that, some cooler air along with it. That's why we have a prolonged pattern of cooler weather ahead. It's taking us straight to the weekend and on into early next week. Let's advance to the end of next week though, and this is what I'm looking at really closely. Here's Thursday night. We've got another low pressure area centered right up to the north and east of us. Now, depending on the track of this low pressure area, could actually see some showers dropping right here into the bay. It's looking fairly certain that as we move into the end of next week, the Sierra Nevada is going to get some rain and possibly even the first of the season snowfall at the crest of the Sierra. Again, this is the end of next week. Could see a sprinkle or two here in the Bay Area from this though too. So that's your extended forecast. Focusing back on today, it's going to be 60s and 70s for SF, 60s for your highs at the coast, while a lot of 70s for most of the Bay Shore today. Again, today's numbers aren't looking too much different than yesterday's just yet, but it is the first signs of temperatures that are sloping downwards. Tomorrow is when you're really going to notice those changes. So if you like that warm feel, today a good day inland to get outside, soak in some sunshine. We've still got some upper 80s in there, although no one's really getting up to 90 degrees today. As for tomorrow, it'll be low 80s at the warmest, and by Sunday, the low 70s at the warmest. And we kind of stay that way through the rest of the forecast. As a series of lows continues to drop across the region, we will be in the low 80s at the very warmest, mostly 70s through next week. And towards the end of next week, that chance of showers I was talking about.